If you're looking for metallic brush pens that actually last, I've had these for over 2 years and wanted to share my experience. I've had these Karin metallic brush pens, like I said, for over 2 years now, and they still write just as juicy as when I first got them. These are some of the most intense color markers I've ever used. Yeah, they are more expensive, but they don't disappoint. The ink flows really smooth and consistent. I don't have to press hard. They don't skip, and if they do, you just shake them really quick and it starts flowing again. And the metallic finish shows up really, really well. I love using these to accent my coloring pages, especially for things like highlights and details. And they're also great for travel journaling because they don't take up much space and instantly make a page pop and look more finished. I also like that I can pick up after it's been sitting for a while and it still works. No fighting with it, no shaking forever, just a few quick shakes and you're good to go. So if you want metallic markers with strong color payoff that actually hold up over time, these have been really solid for me. So maybe give them a try.